Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I come back with another review for you, and this is a really rare kind of special summer fragrance because it does have spicy bone to it. As you know, they're not uh, kind of sport fragrances or summer flankers that have spice notes in it. This is heavy on cardamom note, backbone of cardamom, and this is Aigner number one sport. As you can see, I have two bowls here. This is the original formulation, heavy on notes of grapefruit, apple, and cardamom. This is kind of the mm, newer formulation, and as you can see, this is yellow and this is white, and this is watered down and kind of um, kind of, how can I say, it's not heavy on those notes. This is a thicker version. If you want to go with a thicker version, heavy cardamom, really good sillage and projection, go with this one. This is really sharper, easier, not easier, it's really bolder to go. And this is kind of fruity batch, like Aventus, you say. They say this, the older bottle is fruity batch, the newer, I'm sorry, the older bottle is smoky batch, the newer bottle is fruity batch, kind of lacks on performance on the newer bottle, or the vanilla batch. This is the same going on with this one. This is the heavy dose of cardamom bottle and the original juice, and this is the reformulation juice that really looks nice, kind of yellower and watered down. The presentation is same. If you wanna see kind of understand the formulation bottles, the caps are the same and they have the same bones, but this one is clicks into place like that sound, but the original formulation sounds kind of metally, metal on metal uh, impact, and this is really nice. This is, by the way, leather, red leather on the cap, like a belt. It says A for Aigner. Aigner Sport number one, eau de toilette. Size and concentration, and the batch code is in here. Nothing on the back, nothing on the sides. This is really classy looking bottle. This one is two, eau de toilette. The box is like this. It says Aigner number one sport, Prom eau de toilette, size and concentration. Batch code and barcode is on the bottom. This is says Aigner A. This side is just red. Really beautiful box, gray and red kind of box. And what you get in opening and the dry down. I have the dry down of this one. This gets a little kind of sweeter and spicier and thicker than this one. This one is kind of watery, not salty. It's just kind of like a watery juice, and really good kind of work on this one. I don't know the perfumer. I did see the Fragrantica. The Fragrantica kind of doesn't get the Fragrantica people that votes for this fragrance doesn't get the cardamom note as prominent as I have get in this one. But the really good thing with the cardamom kind of mixed with apple kind of bone, is that you get the powdery uh, kind of projection out of this one and this one too. But really rare fragrance. If you want a unique fragrance and a kind of bold and sophisticated, really, the word is sophistication with this one. Kind of easygoing, but the sophisticated people, uh, mm, I think 25 and up is really is attractive for wearing this fragrance. uh, the young people can turn this off, really pull this off really uh, good, but they have to got the kind of sophistication nose, and they like sophisticated fragrances too. Love this one. But the unique factor is 10 out of 10 because, as I said, they're not kind of a lot of fragrances in this genre, and sport or summer flankers that have the backbone of spiciness and powdery projection. We don't have anything like this, or I didn't smell something like that in a designer game. And this is kind of 10 out of 10 unique factor. Design is really beautiful in my eyes. That's kind of 10 out of 10 design. Performance, I kind of get 4 hours in this one longevity and 1.5 hour of good projection, but kind of watery projection. Powderiness is toned down on this one, and this one is really thick. The projection and longevity is same as I said. This is 4 hour to 5 hour, and this is 4 hour, 2 hours of projection, good projection, and sillage, powderiness, and kind of heavy on the notes in this one, and this is kind of watered down, but the projection is same. The scent is kind of different. If you wanna kind of prominent backbone of cardamom and powderiness, go with this white juice original formulation. And if you want the fruitier batch and kind of watered down watery batch, not really powdery projector or spicy, the kind of spicy but not as prominent as cardamom on this one, go with this beautiful juice. And that's it. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and hit the bell button for more cool stuff on this genre. Thank you for watching. Good night.